for you.
Yay.
Chuck,
You might
Connor
remember
needs to
this.
sit there. Oh, wait a minute. Connor can sit at the corner. On the corner alongside of Papa.
This is from us, and Connor might remember seeing it. He was with Mom.
Well, I guess he likes sitting there. Then he can put the paper in the trash. What is this? I can't
My
figure
mom
out
does good rapping.
Papa doesn't.
Remember?
What is it? What is
It's a
it?
dart.
But it's a magnetic, so
Oh,
no one
how
gets
cool.
hurt.
Oh, yeah, because you could
So
get hurt with those.
All the little darts have magnets.
Oh.
And then he can hang it on like that a handle, and then we can play darts. But no one will get hurt. Do you love it? Do you remember when you were with Mommy? And
Yeah.
I snuck it. Oh, I'm so
Very
tricky.
nice.
Give me a kiss.
She's the sneaky one.
I love you. You're the best. Go ahead.
Connor to Santa.
No, not that one. Not this one yet. We're going to put certain ones aside. What about one of these others from Grandma?
Let me see.
Grandma.
Wait,